What a great time to come out here and do some light fishing. It's catch and release only. It's a nice little man-made lake. I think one of the benefits of lakeside fishing is really observing and understanding the habitat around it and different lifestyles, like lakeside cabins and places to stay for the weekend. Like, I'd seriously consider renting out one of these cabins. So calm and peaceful. Perfect, right here. Always be on the lookout for snakes. Some birdhouses here. About 4 here at the Willows Prairie end of the lake. There have been a lot of days when I've been out here and fishing somewhere and don't catch a thing. Not a bite, not a nibble. Then I ask myself, what is it all about? Remind myself it's okay. You didn't catch a thing, but you were out there. But man, it sucks getting skunked. You just gotta keep going. That's the beauty. It's fishing. There's no guarantee. There's no guarantee. But wouldn't it be fun? Wouldn't it be nice? That's why when I do catch fish, it's a celebration. Maybe even a reminder that I did something right. But there is no wrong. But there can't be right if there aren't any wrongs. So it's just a big philosophical conundrum. When it's out here nice and peaceful, who cares? I love it. Look at the sun. I noticed on this side you had more like a bungalow, teepee style. These look pretty cool. You know, a lot of nice pockets of areas to fish. Seems to be tons of turtles, and I don't know, they quickly bounce off these logs, or they know exactly when you're coming. Oh, no way. It's the second time this week. Great find. Whoa, nice. cool looking lure. 6 cents. Nice. Really cool. It's like no matter how many times I get skunked, I never really leave empty-handed. I always walk away with a souvenir, a cool find, or something valuable.